Hello and welcome to Model 7. Today we'll be talking about usability testing methods and techniques. Now we've known how to design. How do we know what is best for our design? In this module, we'll be defining what is usability testing. Usability testing is a method used to evaluate the effectiveness, efficiency, and overall user experience of a product or system. It involves observing and gathering feedback from users as they interact with the product in order to identify any usability issues and also make improvements. Now you've designed your product and you need to know, is this product good for the market? You have to perform a usability test. It is just allowing users or sets of people to use your product and give you feedback on that product. Now there are techniques and approaches to conducting usability testing, and I'm just going to run you through 7 of them. The first one is moderated usability testing. This testing involves having a moderator guiding participants through series of tasks while observing their interaction and collecting their feedback. This is mostly done physically with groups of people. You just allow them use the product and you ask them questions to get their feedback. The second one is unmoderated usability testing. Unlike moderated, you don't have to be there. And this is mostly done through surveys, voice or video recording. You ask participant questions and they send you their feedback. You don't have to be with them. The third, which is the most common, is what we call A/B testing. This is the most common type of usability testing because it is easy and very straight to the point. It involves having 2 or more versions of a product or a feature that are tested simultaneously with different user group. If you look at my screen, you will see a design that was done, an onboarding screen for a mobile application, and is being sent out for a user to pick which of the onboarding screen works best for them. So the user tells you A or B, and that is why it is called A/B testing. You could go further to attach a note that tells them to give you a reason why they choose A or why they are choosing B. This gives you more insights about their decision. The fourth one is surveys and questionnaires. Just like you conducted survey and questionnaire for user research, you can also conduct survey and questionnaire for usability testing. You create a survey question using Google Form, just like we did, and then send it to your specific users. And they will fill and send back the feedback to you. The fifth one is the eye tracking method. This involves specialized hardware or software that is used to track and record participants' eye movement as they interact with the product. This is mostly expensive to use and is not really very common. Also, we have the benchmarking, which is the 6th one. Benchmarking talks about using usability metrics and performance indicators to decide how your product is performing. Take for an example, if you go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, you will see reviews that has been given concerning your product. These reviews gives you a star rating. Those star rating is what we call benchmarking. You take these reviews and you improve your product with them. The last one is heuristic evaluation. This involves using experts or usability professionals to review the product against a set of predefined usability issues. They identify the potential usability issues and provide recommendations for improvement. There are people we call usability professional or experts, and their job is to test products for you or get users to test the product for you. This is not commonly used because you have to pay those professionals to look for the right audience for your product. And let's talk about iterative process. What is iteration? Iteration and improving design based on user feedback is a crucial aspect of user-centered design process. And it involves taking the insights and observations gathered from usability testing and incorporate them into design to enhance the user experience. So from your feedback that you've gotten from your users that tested your product, you would have to go back to that product and iterate it. The techniques used for iteration are quite simple and straightforward. Number one, you have to analyze and interpret those feedback. From the feedback you've gotten, you have to review them to make sure that the feedback is valid. The next thing you want to do is iterate and refine. Based on the feedback conducted during testing, you want to go back to your design and make necessary adjustments. If most of your users don't like a particular feature, it is best to remove the feature completely. The third one is to validate and verify. Once you've done your iterate and refine, you have to conduct a test again to make sure that your new design solves the problem. And once you verify that it solves the problem, you go to the next one, which is implement and deploy. Now your design is ready to be implemented, and then you send for final changes to be done into your product. If these changes are done, you still need to conduct research. And if users still give you feedback that are negative, you have to repeat the iteration process again. And this is why most products has a version 1 and a version 2. I will see you in the next module when we talk about UX writing and content strategy. Thank you.